For the Nomad Mania folks, I tend to travel quite a bit, and I see that that have been pointed on as museums and location of important landmarks. Here's the NYK Nippon Yusen Kaisha Museum. That's under renovation, so these needs to be updated by Nomad Mania folks, and I'm trying to do it, but some places that have changed hands and they should be taken out. Wasaki Museum. Wasaki Museum, folks. Just here, right? That's cool. Design. That's the Toys Museum. Again, that's shut since 1926, but now it's shut. Folks, museum, and it's shut. It was established back in 1926. The building is closed. Again, once again, Nomad Mania location markers, or the places of interest in the cities. I find it about 10% of the items that are on the Nomad Mania list is no longer functioning. I'm going to do this video just to prove to Nomad Mania followers that they need to keep up to date about the... It looks terribly out of character, and it's No More Toys Club, and it's shut. So there you go, folks. That's a little garden place for the toys garage there, and there's another building, and that's the back end of the toys house. No more. So Nomad Mania, get your act together, put some editions to be able to edit for the folks who travel to great extent to find that the museums are shut.